How to fix Riot or Vanguard Crashed error in Valorant. So hey guys, welcome to this tutorial. In this tutorial, I'll guide you through the exact steps on how you can fix the Riot or Vanguard Crashed error in your Valorant. So in order to resolve this particular issue, all you need to do is simply follow these easy steps. So the first thing is that you determine the error. So if you think that the issue is with the Riot client, then you can do the following steps. Simply go to the search bar and type in Riot. And here you can see the Riot client right here. So from here, click onto this open file location option and you can see the Riot client shortcut. So right click over to this again and then again click onto this open file location. Now from here you can see the Riot client services. So right click onto this and then click on show more options and then click onto the properties. Now this will lead you to the application properties. Go to the compatibility tab and ensure that you have these three checks locked in. The first one is that you run this program in compatibility mode. The second one is that you disable full screen optimizations. And the third one is this you run this program as an administrator. Simply click onto this apply button and then the OK button and hopefully your errors will be resolved. So that was all for this tutorial. Thanks for watching and have a nice day.